Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to create a stylish text effect. So stay with me till the end and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and if you don't understand anything, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much.
But did you ever try path on the right side? Put it up in your mind. But did you ever try the path on the left side? Put it up in your mind. It's gonna be alright. You run, drive, roll your mind. 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 Seeing all the watering fill your eyes, doing the things they know, talking about the same old stories they've heard about the people they think they know. But did you ever try a path on the right side? Put it up in your mind. But did you ever try the path on the left side? Put it up in your mind. It's gonna be hard. You run, drive, roll your mind. You run, drive, roll your mind. You run, drive, roll your mind. You run, drive. You run, drive, roll your mind. You run, drive, roll your mind. You ever try a path on the right side? Put it up in your mind. But did you ever try the path on the left side? Put it up in your mind. It's gonna be alright. You run, drive, roll your mind. 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 Seeing all the watering fill your eyes, doing the things they know, talking about the same